Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix GTA 5 error 0xc0000142 quickly and effectively. This error usually appears when the game fails to start due to missing or corrupted system files. First, restart your computer to clear temporary issues. Next, run GTA 5 as administrator by right-clicking the game icon and selecting Run as Administrator. Now, open your game launcher like Steam or Rockstar and verify the game files to repair any corrupted data. After that, install or update Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables and DirectX as they are required to run the game properly. Also, make sure your Windows is fully updated. If the problem still continues, disable any background apps or antivirus temporarily, as they can interfere with the game. Finally, restart your system and launch GTA 5 again, and the error 0xc0000142 should be fixed, and the game should start normally now. Subscribe the channel for more videos.